Hello, Andy Klaus with Vortex Weather Insurance, and today we're going to talk about our first of many weather insurance whiteboard topics. Today we're going to talk about how to decide what hours to choose for your rain insurance policy. Rain insurance is very customizable, so you can set any hours you want to build the policy that best fits your needs and your budget. Now, there are several factors that come into play in understanding what hours you need to set. Every hour within a rain insurance policy has its own unique risk factors. So, there are, more expensive hours than others. Sun up and sunset. Those hours are typically more expensive because of the susceptibility for pop-up storms and that type of activity, as opposed to maybe overnight hours. Another important aspect, the more hours that you need coverage for, higher the premium, the more likely the rain is going to occur. So another important factor to decide. Depending upon when your event is, could be 12 hours, could be 10 hours. Maybe you don't need to insure the full 12-hour event. Maybe you insure the most critical times to your event. That could be 8 hours or 6 hours. Typically, those are the most commonly used hourly windows for a rain insurance policy. So other things to think about when setting the hours, again, what are those critical hours of your event? Do you have a grandstand event? Will you have a concert? Maybe those late evening hours are more important than the early day hours. Do you have a golf event? Will there be a tee time? Again, in that situation, maybe the early hours are going to be more important, that time to tee off and the hours during the actual gameplay. What are the most, or the likely highest concession sales during your event? Again, those are the most critical hours. You don't have to insure the full event, just insure those critical hours to, again, control the budget and control the premium within the policy. Ultimately, you know your event the best, so use that knowledge to formulate a policy, but then we're also here to help any way we can. Contact us at vortexinsurance.com, 913-253-1215. Call, text, we're happy to help.